Hi, in front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the time format on this watch needs to, or your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home screen. Now tap on the Me icon and select your Haylou Smart Watch 2 from the list of devices. And here, scroll down, find the option called Device Settings. And here you should see the option called 24 hours, this one. And to change the time format to 12 hours, simply disable the 24-hour option and the time format will change. As you can see, the AM appeared next to 10 the hour. And if you enable it, it's gonna disappear like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.